òun ni màláìkà rẹ̀, òun ni màláìkà rẹ̀. Fájìmí ń fẹ́ Káyọ̀dé, òun ni màláìkà rẹ̀.
Hi everyone, good day wherever you are watching this video today. My name is Ifajimi Fakayode if you are watching for the first time. So this is a spiritual channel where we share different spiritual tips, lectures, guides and all that. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe now so that you will be part of the family and you can be notified each time I post a new video. Today I want to teach you a very great and important spiritual tip. So something you can do. Maybe you are passing through the situation whereby you don't have a spouse, you don't have a partner, you don't have a life partner, you don't have a spouse, you are just single and lonely. So this is, or you are seeking for a serious relationship, you are seeking a serious relationship, you are seeking a good man, you are seeking a good woman. This tip is for you. So all I need for you is to subscribe and like this video so that I will be motivated to be posting more. For this particular video which I'm making today, you don't need much. As you all know, whenever I post videos, I go very simple because of people that are abroad, or people that are far away or are not familiar with most of spiritual stuffs. So and I believe anyone can do this. Or there are two common problems in that particular situation. So the first one is maybe you are having a partner but the relationship is not stable. So that one is a different one. So clearly this is for people who in one way or the other they are just there. No one is coming, no one is saying hi, no one is even there to woo them or maybe to toast them. You are single and you are searching. So this is particularly for you. So and another thing is, if you must do this, you must have it at the back of your mind that after you use this and a spouse, a partner comes, so you must treat as a partner. So this must not be used negatively. That's what I'm saying precisely. You want to use this now with the intention of maybe just to be, you are a man, you want to use this just to be sleeping with different women. So it won't work. That's it, it will not work. So if you are a man, if you are a woman at the same time, you just want to use this and to be taking advantages of men, maybe you are just planning to be getting something from men just so that men can be coming. It won't work. So this is basically for people that are seeking life partner, that are seeking husband, that are seeking spouse, relationships and all that are very that are very keen on having a partner or a spouse. So this is for them. So actually this particular spiritual tip, you are going to need just two things. If you can watch right from the beginning of this video to the end, I believe you are going to learn a lot, and that's the more reason why I always take time to explain very well so that there won't be any mistake or maybe saying afterward that you do something and it is not working for you. My own is not like that. If you do it exactly the way I recommend, then surely things must work for you. So we will now dive in, explain how you are going to use the few things and when to be using them, and what you should be avoiding while using this spiritual work. So the first item you are going to need for this is what we call a wall gecko. So unfortunately I could not get the wall gecko when trying to make this video because most of the geckos comes out at night. You can only get wall geckos at night. So many people can testify to this. So you can only get wall gecko at night. So they mostly comes out at night. So you are going to find a wall gecko, and when you are killing that wall gecko or you catch it alive, you must make sure none of its part is breaking away. It must be a complete wall gecko. You must catch the wall gecko alive and complete. So that's the first and the most necessary items you are going to need for this. So you can even send small boys to kill it for you. Just any way to find the war gecko, just make sure you get the war gecko that is very complete, and it's not breaking the tails or any part of it. Then after getting the war gecko, you are going to get a spiritual oil. So actually, we normally use this spiritual oil, and this one I'm holding. So this spiritual oil is known as a six flower oil perfume. So it is sold mostly in spiritual stores, spirituals market, and all that. You can get it from those Hausa men that sell stuffs in the market. You can buy any spiritual oil of your choices. You can buy a Divine Grace perfume, most spiritual oil. So this is it. And if by all means you cannot find any of these spiritual oil, you cannot find any of them, you can still use a normal body oil, body lotion or whatever, so that is just oily, you understand. So and this is how you are going to do it. So, and before that, if you are doing this, if you are a married man, please don't do this. If you are a married woman, don't do this. No, don't do this. So unless you don't want your marriage to be stable, so unless you don't want your marriage to last longer, so you know what I mean. Because if you are married and you are still having women chasing you around, you are still having men chasing you around, that means you won't be serious with your marriage or your relationship. So if you already have a partner, this is not for you. So so now let's just go back to the explanation. So after getting the oil and the war gecko, I said at the beginning of this video that we need just two items, and nothing else is involved. So after getting the two items, you are going to get maybe a bottle like this. You can get a bottle like this, or maybe an empty cream bottle or an empty container, you understand. So it's either you find a bottle like this or an empty container, so that that can contain the oil. Now this is how you are going to do it. You will put the war gecko into the bottle, into this bottle. So you will put the war gecko here. After putting the war gecko inside of this bottle, then you will now pour all this spiritual oil on it. Then you will take, if you are a man and you are doing this, you will take 7 seeds of alligator pepper, add it to it. If you are a woman and you are doing this, you will take 7 seeds of alligator pepper, add it to it, and then cover this bottle for 3 days. You are going to cover it for 3 days. So you will let the war gecko stay inside and the alligator pepper stay inside of the oil for 3 days or more. So you will let it stay there for 3 days without opening it. You will keep it somewhere safe that no one else will see it. You will go and keep it somewhere safe. After keeping it for a few days, then you go and take the oil wherever you keep it, and then the work is ready. So these are the ways you are going to be using it. If it's possible that you can be using the oil directly, when you after bathing, you just rub it on your left palm, and rub it together. Rub it on your face and your hand alone. Rub it on your face and your hand, both of your hand and your face alone. So you are going to be rubbing it on your hand and your face. That's it. So, or maybe if it is not convenient for you, you can filter out the oil and mix it with your cream, any cream you are using, or you'll be using it directly, any way that is convenient for you. You can be using it directly right from the bottle, just the oil. You will let the content, all the war gecko and the alligator will be inside until the oil finish. So you'll be using it like that. Or maybe you filter out the oil and throw away the rest of the items. So any way that is convenient for you. The oil you filter, you can mix it with your cream, you can be using it directly. If you are using this um oh, so let's just keep it like that. And actually, if you have a spouse as well and is behaving somehow, so and maybe the person is somehow far away, you have someone you are crushing on, so this is also working for it, but I'm not going to explain that in this video, so because of people that may want to misuse it. So this is for it. So you'll be using it steadily until your life partner comes. And this also works in many ways, in a very positive and a good way. So we just discuss one of its importance. In another video, I will discuss another importance of it. So people will just love you as a newborn. People will love you like that. So it's working perfectly. And this particular spiritual work is tested many times, and it is working. I confirmed it myself, so and I recommend it. So the fact that I'm giving it out for free uh, does not mean it's not working. I'm just giving it out for the sake of humanity, and just to help the few people, just to show my kind gesture towards people that have been showing love in one way or the other to this channel and to my spiritual empire generally. So thank you for watching. Next time I'll be sharing another important spiritual video. Make sure you stay glued to this channel because more video will be coming, and make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. I still remain your spiritualist Ifeanyi Mifakaode. Next time I'll be sharing another video. Stay blessed.